Hey, what up, Salsa Gang? Back to you with another video. If you're not part of the Salsa Gang, hit the subscribe button. You right with the Salsa Gang. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put that little drip on there. Yeah. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cook a fried bologna sandwich. But it's not just any bologna sandwich. It's my bologna sandwich. How I do things. You feel me? So go ahead and hit that like button, man. It better be fire. Listen, once I put your on to this, you never gonna eat it another way. And I stand on that. So first off, obviously, we gotta get our bologna. Hold on, let's get us a skillet. Let's see. You gotta get you. Get your little skillet. You feel me? Put that on the stove. Put it on like 4, the number 4. Put it on 4. All right. And what I do is I come over here in the fridge. Right. Let me show you. Bow. I don't know what type of bologna you eat. Some people eat the. Here we go. Some people eat the thick cut. You know what I'm saying? Your thick cut or whatever. These are just regular thin ones that you can't really tell. Yeah, you can. A little bit. So we got that. You feel me? Obviously, you feel me? Oh, you need some white bread. Whatever bread you eat, wheat bread, whatever bread you want to eat. You feel me? Bread. You feel me? I need my chips to go with it. You feel what I'm saying? So then my chips, you make your own chip selection. You feel me? While your skillet's still heating up a little bit, these the other 2 main ingredients. Check me out. We gonna come mustard. Yeah. Mustard. Oh. Mustard. Trust me. We coming mustard, bruh. Relish. Mustard and relish. That's all we gonna put on it, bruh. That's all we gonna put on it. Trust me. So it's gonna be the. Come here. Let me come talk to y'all for a second. Listen, I'm just telling you, mustard and relish. See, the relish is gonna give it that sweet feeling. Feel me? That mustard gonna give it that sour feeling. So when you put both of them together, it's almost like you like sweet and sour. Yeah, hit that like button. I'm gonna show you something. Show you how to do it. Even though I'm showing y'all how to do it, man, we gotta turn up in the kitchen, because when you in here, you gotta feel good. So look, I already done tore it up. Don't do what I'm doing. You just pull it right off the ring like that, right there. All right, done tore it up a little bit. We're gonna put 2 slices on there. You can get 1, 2, how many ever you want. All right, personally, if you're a kid, get your fork, whatever. And what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna cut like a little cross. So you're gonna cut this way and this way, and then down. That's what you see it starting to bubble. That's so it won't bubble, like it won't pop up. So to get the whole thing. Watch. So we cooking right now. Normally you can cut it before you put it in the skillet, but you cut it while it's already in there. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna just let that cook. You feel me? Cause I got something. I'm still trying to get ready too at the same time. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, you just let it cook. You know what I'm saying? Don't ever walk away from the stove though. Stay in there with it. Don't do what I do. I know a lot of people do it out there, but don't do what I do. Don't leave the stove. Don't do it. So you gonna let it cook like that for a minute. You see it starting to sweat on the top. You feel me? Then once it cook like that, you can flip it over a little bit like that right there. You feel me? See it? You feel me? See it? Yeah. Flip it over like that. We're gonna let it. Oh, let me fix it. Feel me? We're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let it cook on that side. And really, you just gonna let it, you know what I'm saying? You wanna burn it, well, basically, fry it as long as possible. I like mine real dark. I like mine a little crispy. You feel me? Always, a little more, you'll see. So, for real, I'll be doing this. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But, we gonna get us, I'm gonna give me 2 pieces of bread. I would stack them on y'all, but I'm gonna do them separate. I'm gonna do 2 different. Because I ain't gonna stack them. I would stack them, but I ain't gonna stack them. Feel me? I'm gonna get my bread and chips and everything, my plate and everything ready while it's cooking. So you wanna do that. You wanna do that. So we gonna do that. Feel me? See where we at? See where we at? I gotta let this over here get burned up some more on this side. This one looking pretty good. I need to get it going over here on this side. And we'll be about ready. So we're gonna get our bread and stuff ready, and then we're gonna get to it. So I got my 4 pieces of bread ready, so I can just lay them, put them straight down on there. So that's what we're gonna do. So boom, we got them. Look, boom, they on there. So now it's time for the mustard and the relish. So now we got our relish right here. We're gonna put that on there. I'm gonna apply my relish first. We have the relish on there. You don't want to put like crazy much. We got our relish. So now we're gonna do the mustard. Oh, and shake your relish up. Always shake your bottles up. Shake them up. Shake them up. I should have already said that, but shake them up. Especially this, the mustard, for sure. Shake it up, and then squeeze some of it in the trash can. I always do that. I shake it up, and then I squeeze it in the trash can so it don't get all that. You know what I mean, if anybody uses mustard. Squeeze some of it in the trash can first before you use it. So, we finna come mustard on them. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Right there, that's just enough. Right there, like that, boom. Then once you got that, boom, boom. Then we got us a sandwich. We throw our chips on here, drink, and we eat up. Listen, we got our sandwich. Boom. Busting it down. And that's it. Listen. Make sure you hit that like button for sure. And really try this. Hit this like button if you... I don't think nobody ever did this, but I'm the creator. Believe that. If you like this, come back to the video. Or why you making this, comment below and let me know how it tastes. It's quick, fast, easy. Quick, cheap little meal. Hard times. I figured this out in the hard times, and it's the best thing, and I still eat it today. And I can go buy me a little steak today. But I'm eating this. So, man, remember, don't nobody love you? I do.